calculate this one, right?
Yeah.
This is trip. This is again trip, right? So this is again 0 to 30, yeah? This is
This
more than
trip.
30. So it is again higher than 30. And we
Yeah.
put ESD.
Yes, D,
And this
yes.
will be again P3.
This is let us qualify B. This is B, right? Likelihood B.
Yeah, it's
And
B medium.
this medium
Not urgent.
and is not urgent.
Yeah,
This is P3
P3.
HMA. Okay, guys. So we are here now going for the next one.
Next one is the same. It's the other side of it. Now it's high instead of low, right?
Low, yes.
So
So this is alarm. This is
this second alarm is the same as the. This is a PAH. Yeah. What is the tag number?
Is 02903.
Yeah. So this is 02903. That is our. Oops. Pressure here.
You are sharing your screen?
I'm sharing the screen.
Yeah. Maybe Slack catcher in the Slack catcher only, right?
Yeah, should be this one, right?
02903. Then 04. 04 is later.
Actually, it should be this one. Because 04 is having high and low, yeah?
No, 04 is there. We have 04 and 03, two different transmitters.
03, we don't have any alarm here.
Okay, but in the alarm list, it is there.
Let's check again, but
We go to 4 and I will check.
yeah, let's follow 4.
Okay, so I have to correct this, correct the
Yeah,
number.
please, yes, yes, because this is what in the PNID is.
No
4.
problem. See, 4 is here. If you see the message 03 and 04, there are 2. So 03 is not there.
As per the PNID, it is only showing alarm on the.
Okay. See, I don't have any problem, but then you have to delete this one then, if you don't have.
Because see, we don't have any here, right?
I can
This is
strike off.
PIC.
Strike off. I can strike off. I can say this is the note in the list.